Hello, today we will guide you through how to add custom fonts in PowerPoint. If you want your presentation to stand out, adding a custom font is a simple way to give your slides a more polished and personalized look. In this walkthrough, we'll download a font, install it on your computer, and then use it inside PowerPoint. To begin, open your web browser and go to Google Fonts. Once the search results appear, click on the Google Fonts website to open it. This is a free library of fonts that you can browse and download for personal or professional presentations. When the site loads, click on a sample font that you'd like to use. This opens the font's detail page where you can preview how it looks. Take a moment here to make sure the style fits your presentation, since some fonts work better for titles, while others are easier to read in body text. Next, click the Get Font button. After that, click Download to save the font to your computer. The font will usually download as a compressed file, often called a zip file. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file and extract it. This step is important because the actual font files are stored inside the compressed folder. After extracting it, open the extracted folder and click on the installer file for the font. Then click Install. This adds the font to your computer so that other applications, including PowerPoint, can access it. After the installation finishes, open PowerPoint. If PowerPoint was already open during the installation, it may not show the new font right away, so opening it after installation helps ensure the font appears correctly. Inside PowerPoint, click on the Home tab at the top left. This is where the main text formatting tools are located. From there, open the Font drop-down menu and look for the font you just installed. Select it, and your text will now use that custom font. If you don't see the font immediately, scroll through the list carefully, since fonts are usually listed alphabetically. Also, make sure the installation completed successfully before returning to PowerPoint. And that's it. You've successfully added a custom font to PowerPoint and are ready to use it in your slides. Using custom fonts can make titles more eye-catching and help your presentation match a specific brand or design style.